Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you what to do when your Amazon Alexa device is unresponsive. Let's get started. First, check if Alexa has power. Look at the device and check for a light. If there is no light, unplug Alexa from the wall, wait 10 seconds and plug it back in. Next, check the microphone button. If you see a red light, it means the microphone is turned off. Press the microphone button once to turn it back on. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. Alexa needs the internet to work properly. Scroll down from the top right corner of your screen and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and working properly. If your phone has no internet, Alexa will also be unresponsive. Next, open the Alexa app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on plus icon at the top, then tap on device. After that, tap on Amazon Echo. Choose your Alexa device. If the device shows offline, tap change Wi-Fi and reconnect Alexa to your network. Now try restarting Alexa, unplug the device, wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. Also restart the Alexa app, close the app completely and open it again. And that's it. Most unresponsive Alexa problems are fixed using these steps. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.